So the next thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to add the whiskers. And this is a little tip. There's quite a lot of things where you have to put whiskers or silver things in. So the trick with this really is, if you just lay them on, you're going to do this all day. You're going to be here. The other thing people do is they wedge them in like this, and actually it lifts up the icing and it lifts up the cake. So I know it sounds like a really basic thing, but the really trick is just to create yourself a little 90, like a little angle, and then literally just push it down, and then it can sit on the top of the cake. So then when you go to do a second one, the other thing is not to then, I wouldn't like put them this way. You really want them all coming from the same spot. And because you've got that little hook, it's really easy to get another one in, and you can just pop them in just like that. Then what you can do is you can either, if you like your whiskers long, you can keep them long. And then the other option is, and then if you just push down the end, and then, but the other option is you can just go in with a pair of scissors. Oh, look, come back out. Trim. Put that one back in. You should be able to trim them while they're in there. Trim. And trim. And then you've got them all one length, except that this bad boy could do it a little bit more. There we go. And then you've got your 3 little ones perfectly in, and then they won't fall out every time you try and go to the shop.